Bonjour à tous, bienvenue à cette conférence de presse pour Zlatan Ibrahimovic et Laurent Blanc.
Might be your last match in the Champions League.
I never think about revenge and these things because every game is a new game. But hopefully, I will stay on the pitch longer than the last time. So to have a possibility to do things I'm good at. So yeah, but revenge, absolutely not, because what happened in the past, it belongs to the past, and this is the present time. So let's do a good game.
Black boots, smooth black boots, just good enough
I would like him to play because I missed him the last game, and I think that I know that we want to play against the best teams and the best players. So if he's on the pitch, probably he's the best team of Chelsea, and without him, it's also a fantastic team. So I would like him to play because to face the best players and succeed, I mean, that is what we play for. So I don't know really how. I'm only warming up, so I don't believe it's the end of my career. So I think the age is only something that you feel. It's just a number, and the difference is how you feel. I feel young. I feel very young because my season I've done so far, I never had better statistic than this. So when I was young and talking about the Champions League, yes, was almost an obsession. But then I started to mature. I started to get to know myself, which is difficult to understand, but okay. And I said to myself, if I win it or not, will not change me as the player I am. So if I win it, it doesn't make me a better player. If I lose it, or if I don't win it, will not make me a less better player. So I am still the one I am. So, but if I can win it, of course, I'll be very happy. I had the luck to win a lot of.
Je dis effectivement à mes défenseurs de ne pas répondre à ça, d'être fort, d'être froid par rapport à ça, même si c'est des Brésiliens. Ils doivent être très froids par rapport à ça, parce que je pense que le match va être serré demain et qu'il va falloir tous nos atouts pour faire un grand match, et que bien sûr, une condition pour faire un grand match, c'est de rester à 11. Et ça va être important demain. Dans mon discours, comme j'ai pu le préciser au match aller, je le repréciserai au match retour, ne pas répondre à quelle que soit la provocation, que ça, de n'importe qui d'ailleurs. On vient à l'extérieur, on est à Stamford Bridge, on a payé l'année dernière pour ça. On a payé, donc il faut apprendre. On ne peut pas renouveler cette erreur-là. Il ne faut pas répondre aux provocations. Je sais que c'est difficile, mais il va falloir maîtriser ses nerfs. Il va falloir être dans la maîtrise demain. Si on est dans la maîtrise, je pense qu'on peut sur le terrain montrer qu'on est capable de faire des grandes choses.